In this video, I'll be making a simple ring design to demonstrate some of the features available in power surfacing for SolidWorks. I start by creating a torus and rotating it to be in a better orientation for editing. I then crease the inside faces and adjust the inner diameter. Next, I turn on soft selection and set the value to 70 to distribute the effects of my changes over a larger area. I then select the bottom section and narrow it to give the ring its overall shape. Next, I adjust the top face and crease it. I then use the offset loops tool and crease it again. With the top face selected, I hold the A key and extrude the top face into the ring. Now I use insert loops to square up the shape a bit. Looking at the bottom of the ring, I select the 4 faces on the underside and use offset loops. I then crease it and adjust the width a bit. Now, holding the A key again, I extrude these faces into the bottom of the ring to reduce the material usage. Finally, I adjust the edge weights and remove some extra edges to smooth out the overall shape. From here, I can convert it into SolidWorks. Using one of the top edges as a reference, I create a plane. Now I create a sketch on that plane. Now I extrude it down to next to have it meet the top surface of the ring. If I wanted to adjust this to add more depth, I can go back and edit the ring. Here I raise up the rim of the ring. When I convert it back to SolidWorks, everything updates to match the current changes. Thanks for watching. For additional information, visit our website at npowersoftware.com.